1, 2, 1, 2, jab in, jab, jab, hook, hook, again, boom, alright, jab, jab, right, hook, right, boom, right there. What's up everybody, this is John the Cobra Crosby coming back to you live with another video. Have another request, and it's to be able to tear up Bob with some boxing combinations. I did boxing combinations on the uppercut bag and on the heavy bag, so now I'm about to do some boxing combinations on Bob. But before I get started, check out this new Cobra skin hat. Woo! And check out the shoes. Weightlifting shoes, high top, low top, coming at you. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. Go get the merch. Enjoy the video. Booyah. All right, so first combination. Jab, jab, right, hook, right. Jab, jab, right, hook, right. Jab, jab, right, hook, right. Key is, for this combination, is you're moving in with the jab, jab, to the face, right to the face, hook to the side of the head, straight right down the pipe. Jab, jab, right, hook, right. Boom, right there. Okay. Jab, jab, right, hook, right. Boom, right there. Now, second combination. You want to throw, I like to move in with some stuff. So it's jab, 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 right hand to the ribs, which is gonna be the obliques, right here, and finish out with a hook up top. When you throw the right hand to the body, you wanna get into a deep lunge, slightly deep lunge, boom, and then you're throwing the left hook up top. Bring your head back to your face to protect. Throw the left hook up top and raise back up. So you jab, 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 jab your way in. Boom, boom. Right to the body. Hook to the head. Sorry, Bob, but this is a video. You're going to have to take it. Jab, jab. Here. Again. Again. Boom. All right. Jab, jab. Here. Again. Again. Boom. Alright? Okay. Now, second combination. You want to throw, I like to move in with some stuff. So it's jab, 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 right hand to the ribs, which is going to be the obliques, right here, and finish out with a hook up top. When you throw the right hand to the body, you want to get into a deep lunge, slightly deep lunge, boom, and then you're throwing the left hook up top. Bring your head back to your face to protect. Throw the left hook up top and raise back up. So you jab, 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 jab your way in, boom, boom, right to the body, hook to the head. Now, you want to get a little bit more fancy. You can add a right hand to that. You can add an overhand right too. But let's see. Jab, jab, right hook, overhand right. I like that one better. Jab, jab, hook, hook, overhand right. After you throw that overhand right, just like in the last video, you can dip and get out of there. Again, jab, jab, right hook, overhand right. Boom. Next video, now, you want to get a little bit more fancy. You can add a right hand to that. You can add an overhand right too. But let's see. Jab, jab, right hook, overhand right. I like that one better. Jab, jab, hook, hook, overhand right. After you throw that overhand right, just like in the last video, you can dip and get out of there. Again, Jab, jab, right hook, overhand right. Boom. Next combo is jab, right to the stomach, left to the head. We're gonna jab in, get out of there. Jab in, get out of there. Jab in, get out of there. All right. We're gonna jab in, get out of there. Jab in, get out of there. Jab in. Next combo. 1, 2. Hook to the body, hook to the head. 1, 2. Hook to again. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. 1, 2. You can do it both 2 different ways. You can do it 1, 2, 1, 2, either or. But 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, hook. 1, 2, hook. 1, 2, hook. Either or. But that up top, go to right hand. Right here. Right there. Okay? Get out of there. Alright? Next combo. 1, 2. Hook to the body. Hook to the head. 1, 2. Hook to the again. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. 1, 2. You can do it both 2 different ways. You can do it 1, 2, 1, 2, either or. But 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, hook. 1, 2, hook. 1, 2, hook. Either or. But that on top, go to right hand. Right here. Next one is 1, 2. I like this one. 1, 2, body, body. I've done this on a video before. This is to cut the distance. If you're back and you want to get in and get out. So you're right here, move it around. 1, 2, drop. The 1, 2 is not for really to connect. It's not really like power involved. It's like a distract. But those body shots, you meant to sit down on them bags. So you go 1, 2, get out of there. 1, 2, get out of there. 1, 2, get out of there. You want to get freaky? Get it with the 6. Get it with the 6. Or you can just get in and out. So you go 1, 2, get out of there. 1, 2, get out of there. 1, 2, get out of there. You want to get freaky? Get it with the 6. Get it with the 6. Or you can just get in and out. Hey guys, it's jonthecobracrosby. I just received a special package from Hydragun, and I needed this for all of my joints and pains, because as a boxer I do a lot of cardio, and as I'm going to be making my transition over to weightlifting, I'm going to be needing massages even more frequently than I need them now. So Hydragun has sent me this gun, and I am going to review it because I know it's going to be great. So, oh yeah. Send me this box, and it has my name on it. Future of Sports Recovery is here. I get to see it first. All right. Let's up. Boom. 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 Your card on there. All the picture on there. This little message. Comes in this beautiful case, beautiful box. See what's inside. Alright. So this is the instruction manual, which you're definitely going to need because they have all of these different heads to hit certain parts of your muscles that you need. Push and hold button to the device turns on. Alright, let's see what happens. You got the charging devices, a lot of different heads, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different heads. This is the gun. Need nothing too sharp. I need something to hit the spots. Put this in there. Push this in on the way. We'll turn it on. It has 6 different levels. 6 different. You hit it. 1, that's regular. 2, 3, that's 3, 4. I mean, like, what do you need 4 for? 5, jeez Louise. I can't even have my finger on there. It's 6. Like, in my Incredible Hulk, this will help for whatever weight you at. Trust me. Look at this. Like, oh. Yeah. Hold on. Turn it down. I'm gonna put it on 3, and as you can see, I'm about to do this boxing video, so I need to have my rotator cuffs loose as a goose. So I like to use it right in the front, and you want to rotate your arms forward and backwards. Just like doing this by itself, you're warming up, but when you got this digging into your muscle and it's vibrating, it helps even back. It helps get it even faster. Go backwards. This is good. I do a lot of bike riding and jump roping, so I would need to put it on 4. Ooh. Yeah, this is good. So I like to get the bike riding in. This helps with my band. If you got sciatic problems, put it here on your butt, right up in there. That helps. Right here. Lower back problems, put back here. That's what's good for this handle being so long, because you can put it in different ways. Flip it around here. Put it right here. You will probably need this one if you want to get all in the hamstrings. This will definitely get all in the hamstrings. But this is good too. This head right here, good for the hamstrings. I'm thinking this would be good for the hamstrings too. This hair right here. So when I go to my therapy sessions, he uses this head, and then he finish it off with this head. But you want to go back and forth. This is good. Pure pleasure on my face, man. Amazing. All right, Hydragun. Thank you for believing in a Cobra and let me experience this gun and let me do a review on it. And I'm happy to be a spokesperson for it. I will leave a link in the description below to where you can get yours and get a nice little discount. So make sure you get one. I recommend it. It's great. And there you go. That's gonna be it for now. If you have any more requests, let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe. Oh yeah.
Okay. Hold up. Yeah. I'm chasing a bag, I'm racing the clock. Look at them flock, watching them flop. Used to see this in my sleep when I ain't had shit but my thoughts in the car. I really was lost.